Mayam Kurumjari Impact News ki Manung Huna da Kkay Thokchom Mayam Taram Noksari. Lali Bazun ki Tarik Taratarugasi International Domestic Workers Day Haidana Manipur gi oinasu Manipur Domestic Workers Movement hariba mission asina yana paksan na pangthokodori taseng harabada Manipur gi yumthong khuding yumthong ayambada invisible workforce haibtare unorganized sector da leiba domestic helpers sing domestic worker gi masing se Manipur gi oinasum data mo ina panaruda 22 to 30,000 lay haina ko research project ami matu ni khoi thengnaba leigre adubu hariba invisible workforce oma oriba domestic workers singi living style at the Macoin Tangle issues and challenges mayam see Karana Impact News City of the Langston Library say Manipur Domestic Workers Movement gi Program Coordinator Imphal East Amsung West ki Program Coordinator Biriba and Benedict Moyoni Moyon Busutaram Noksari Aduga guessing my Langston Biriba Dr. Sister Jacinta Shangrang State Coordinator Manipur Domestic Workers Movement Sister Busutaram Noksari. Welcome to the show and last sina yet itang thang library Dr. Tara Manching Hangzo Program Coordinator Churchandpur District ni Dr. Busutaram Noksari han bagi bagi mayamda domestic workers singi hozik thaingnari ba awa basing silence saduga masigi hariba Manipur Domestic Workers Movement haibasi karamaina Manipur lakibna duga karam ba sector da masi Manipur government na Manipur lengangna masi da yengsallakan de hena masi senthok lambi waraba vulnerable group oiraba singno basing ase hena phagana ba kari thorang local bite haidi matang da han bagi wafam se ko sister da ham laksege hariba Manipur Domestic Workers Movement se karamaina masi Manipur da point lakhibano aduga masina spread tori ba district sing si kari thabak sing project sing paikale have mata dani ahamda ban thambiu
Manipur Domestic Worker Movement in the year established in the year 2007 adu register tawbasi akhona 2010 da oiriba asum hena karam hena haubra have I will just share a short karam haubra heraga like my founder, I belong to Missionary Sisters of Mary Helper Christians. My founder is the Italian, the Bishop of Northeast. In the year during the Second World War, 939, Second World War, there was a lots of misery created due to war. Adukanda nupi azamba nupi aduga as well as mata singse, they were miserably affected by the war. Then on our founder, Bishop Stephen Ferrando, he thought if these venerable women who had no one to take care, if my own local sister of India, of Northeast, could take up this work, they could go to the village, help out, to live a decent life, to help out health as well as to make their life accessible. And on that account, we have, his mind was dead. So his dream came into exist by founding this working for domestic workers movement. So this domestic workers movement, these domestic workers are the most vulnerable section in the society, and mainly of the women and the children.
Yes.
So there is a reason why going around, he himself was going around from touring from village to village. He saw many women. In order to help out this, he said that we must, as a team, as a congregation, my superiors, though he's died and gone, but his dreams, today we are carrying out his dream to work for the domestic workers who are vulnerable as well as the children. And these domestic workers, the sisters, as a congregation, as we move from place to place, village to village, we see this mainly of the domestic workers who are so victim to the social evil, how to say, exploitation, then physically abuse, and the very low salary, and the living condition was very bad. So in order to help them out, this organization was found in order to help them out and to to uplift their status. And we want to, through this, we want to uplift the rights of domestic workers. See that though the domestic workers is not who are the domestic workers already. Like mainly of the domestic workers are two categories. Adudi working in employer's house. As well as live in. Employer ga as well as part-time. So na part-time sa pakanda, when we look at this, they also moigi payment. Their payments very low, and we see the domestic workers. They also they have a family. Like you just when a payment was very low, but they have to take care of their family, their children. They have to send to the school. So. Yeah, we want to.
Family in the Teneri Awa sing the domestic helpers or Basabana to Teneri Bani to Makoida challenges may have sing to dedication Amagaluna, Sagi pound was it a Lam Salaga Lak Panidas, Mina Manipuda, Sigi can say, he hopes lucky when have opened to second round, say, second round of Laxagi, Benedict Tamsin, the Imphal is some Imphal West District Haitare, Maroni Imphal West District Ladiba, Karmi Kungataba area sing sita, Lady Basinci. The saying as I study report, 20 to 30,000 as a top of the district zoom labor, all Manipur report any. Adu Bukhari here, Mayam, Nisi, as I sisters, I be but mina employee got the family Laminaba, Haitare, Aduga, part time in Ayuki Laga, Supa, Dangiba, Sigumus later, Dinatio, Masada, Mogi payments, Aduga, wages, Mayam, see Mayam, Yangada. In fact, is some waste of Masi, Tineri challenges in the Karamine, Madugito, reporter Karamine Lamasik. This is
Imphal West Lenariba payments here. Adum Chaurakpa Adum Mane Hetare. Mane having a side Imphal East Labor Mission West Shuri. West Labor Mission East Adum Shuri.
Home the
migrant or Shuri in the car. Just we divided in this district wisely. Adubu Ashitabaki Adum passing Adum Town of Nenako. Aduda Kono here is the thing of Sina. More of work. But less of payments, the credit thing. Aduga, like quite the more the challenges domestic workers that who revert function career. Masagi, Angang basic people, Mogi, Mama Mapan Foxu Chale, Machi Mama Saman Sangadori, Man Ayuki Pung Turki, Nangai Mapum Chatpaneva. Other man who shuri who then Pung a tram toy barodo the Halan, or a Moko Pungani to a Chalanico. I don't Magi workforce Aquana. I know more challenges. Employer na conventional. How much they work in the house?
Yes.
Speculate. Adugi warine, but how the time is being spent? Say, kitang se get ma delay. I did from home. People started from coming from home to reach the employer house 6 o'clock already. Mag punggada ma hawalang muna say.
Yes.
Adugi challenges kha delay. Aduga, akon hui thing na low wages at the same time. Mogi family background all rented the labor in the go. Anam say. Like in Mahabali the labor, Sanaka the lady bar, go, a quay Kuyatong the lady bar, is sometimes I do change the mind to catch in Lame. Go, I should mind a lady bar who Anam rented, a quay hill district, Anam Buksulakamishu lady go. I do not like Bishnu Pudi Lagba, Tawadi Lagba, Chandel, or Ukur, or Churchandpur Lagba. Do a corner in Far East West Irish, say, Mona labor Mapamista Konakan Santa one. To Churchandpur in the Minalar and Father Lake Radi. So man in West lady West on a restart of one. Ma original the canoe to
Adamapuzi Harry conditions side level matang to Yoroka Karahena miners in Sudum Tabak Super domestic worker with them Salineva. Minor the hand target of the major the Haitare Karahena, adult Haitare, Adel Mayama, Hosi, Palaria, the Yum the Salaga Con Pengba piece, Pijam Topataka, Monungi Angang Kogi Kanoki type the Haitare. Angang sing Yangshan because some mams late in a car. Say the way low serity pin in the Honakani, the employer, the same Pesha, Handaba Potunity, Adu Pangi Potuka, ID worker to Pangituka, Sana Tabsi, the Madu, no item silences, Adu way, Adu Masita, Menkana the Karikari, NCO, missions in a Karikari, Pakan music.
How you Akona Mani Taubusina? I believe me a skill already automatically.
Wages will be
higher. Adugi background Haitariko. Other kind at the same time, I couldn't most empowered the bargaining power. Like negotiate with the employer. More Chahita Krana Chahitra Mukshure. Go. Adu my increment every year the Kitan increment will be the Radi. Who the change Mamanse 40 rupees lie. Go. Adu the tiny mana. Piba Pashadu Pidi Adujaro, survive the at the same rain. Go Angangi tuition fee lady. Boko Adum Yamchi Akona Hui, that was more the skill and maneba. And at the same time, we are making them to bargain with the employer. Because Hiti Akogi low in a domestic worker, low in a like a more salary smoke employer the hyperlated. I don't know akuna
yana badi makha poli employer am so
employer and employee se makha pon hanba at the same time we are also networking with the employer to have like everyone is educated who like tamba hai bakhang tani ko dignity of labor se kitang promote tawbi hai bigi akuna mogi salary se hai de hui government initiative tikri so lai rakli dina ko adugi matana akuna kana most empower kana tawri my group forming motivation piba return shop skill gumba khara piba hai de employee da karam han ngang ni ai gi salary increase to wa suma hai de nuate dina ko khoi gi how to deal as oya khoi gi ana chujar si jar de khitang maman hengal piu hai gi mai kai da duma na tawri de kha bhagne na akuna si kra moi lam motivation gyan ta hanba aduna suma gi akhoi se helper na te akhoi worker ni worker na thin tha biu hai ba ko adu mayam si akhona moda hoi
worker sing du da organize tawra ga semine
organize sem na ga tawri ne ko aduna akhona aim tawsna this will make the living wages increase at the same time alternative akhona ama tam amsine like sustainability hai tare ko magi si wages ta odamna we are trying promote akhudi hathok kina ta ko mana nga sa ayuk to shuru numidang si magi huiti lemba matam neba aduna akhona promote ta why can't you sell even a vegetable in the street for some time for income generation ki ko survivor di mi ki huram di jadab ni na asum sa akhona motivation even like कि पिकल सेम की ट्रेनिंग पी रे एक्स्ट्रा इनकम लाना के हाइदी मागी वेजेस का तंगाई बजा दबने नको असुम सा खुन का हुई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन
ओके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सिन तौरी तसेना सेक्टर जे थबक सुरी बसिंग सिकी कोना सेंथोक लबी ओजेना बगी लाइवलीहुड की दमंग सो द वे टू द सेमी हाइब दुने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ओके डॉक्टर द थमजनिंग बो वाफम से हजिकी हाइबिग्रे कोगी बेनेटिंग न हाइबिग्रे हजि चैलेंजेस मयाम दुम हाइबिग्रे दुबो हजि लाइरि चैलेंजेस अदु खत सुनते मयाम हजिकी चाइल्ड लेबर की केनोस ले अदुबो सेदा येंग इसी असि एनजीओ अदुगा मिशन सि कतना तना मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ मणिपुर हाइतारे तोंगा तो लेबर डिपार्टमेंट सु लेबर लॉ मयाम इंटरनेशनल लेबर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सु लॉ मयाम सु लई लॉ मयाम सि हाउ फार सि मणिपुर दा अप्लाई तो याबगी खुतों साब लेब्रा कोन तोरप याबगी खुतों साब लेब्रा हौजि फागुदि करम करम मिशन सिन करम करम एंगल दा हारि बा ngसागी बेनेटिंग दे थम्पिग्रे लाइवलीहुड की तमद मखोइदा तोंगा तोंगा ट्रेनिंग मसा मसा का पीदना दे वही वता फजबा गांगन नब होनबा अदु मयाम सु लेरे अदुबु सिना खोइ NGO सी ओइना तौबा अदुगा गवर्नमेंट साइड की करम करम प्रोजेक्ट सिंग करम करम सेटअप सिंग लाइबक उइ अदु मसिदा थेंगरिबा चैलेंजेस सिंग सिदा गवर्नमेंट मियंग ताइ हेन लोबी उसलेन हा लोबी ब्रा उसंदेना लोबी ब्रा कमाइ हुइ
हान द पेनो domestic worker hai the sing se koi labor laws in moi se han workers when recognize tawdo under labor law moi se worker oi de bani dan moi se ado yum da thabak to bani yum se workplace oina khandereba so they have to recognize them as work liable to be paid ado moi hana legislation tawda domestic workers are also labor workers and moi recognize already what ko minimum wage ko ba ko fix to ngam baniba ado hana moi di yum da thabak to bani to be ayam se haidana moi sin recognize to bidre akhoi adum worker and helper oina akhoi ki servant oina thambire adu do recognize hana to bi sunu legislation pass horaga these domestic workers are also workers recognized by the law adu han thambire mani moi se kaino moi ki rights things of akhoi na start to bung mani ba happy when you are not recognized akhoi se recognize to bi ni na tani su oi de haina thambadi akhoi ki rights akhoi na start to bung ngamde adu akhoi se negotiation power su to bung ngamde akhoi se empower nu bi oi ro akhoi se powerless oi gani akhoi ki society in the akhoi se patriarchal society nu bi se hand always handle nu yeng zaina and especially when they were domestic worker yum da thabak ni bo hai bi sing akhoi na yamna non thana yeng ba adu mo se akhoi na mindset change ro ga mo su empower bi mo se mahul le han ba sakti le hen ba adu mo se to gulum me adu challenges have been more negotiation power like the
hojiki empowerment ki matang do moi empower to na ba project sing se akhoi ki mission sing matu ina kari bi changchel li hoji phauda
akhoi se kind of group form to within zig me am se ko when identity baseline survey to ga identity fill up tawre duga moi mi am se ko school la moi self group da moi form to group da ado moi mi am my group am already because better than one me many manga le
okay madam do ai round mathang round lak lake di koi ki keno ki sound ki problem khal ai keno da benedict mu lak charang ke hojiki continue oina hai tare hojiki challenges mayam su dum hype di wafam di panbi khre adu pu sai groupism semaga makoi da tarokna bagi target si district wise Churchandpur amasung akoi gi Imphal East West ki coordinator yaubiri hena spread Churchandpur khatan da ukhul da storombe ai masigi thapak se senapati de torombe everywhere in Manipur haitare asida yeng kan sida karamaina action plan jing di karma le action plan haitare sigi district wise action plan haitare
akon hoi district wise action plan se ngasai kari se financial gi ma leiri ko habdi thabak se pangthok se haradi ako human resource darkar leiba human resource kada di financially sound oi taradi khra aruba ma lakhani ba at the same time asom gi mission na su admu ki pasari puthok chungam da ba haidi district ma da mi 3 employer hardi hoi akona fighting for the minimum wage for domestic worker ne ba staff su minimum wage to be daradi how to survive in that area ko aduna hoi staff ahum da pi tha da sing tra tra bu 30,000 where will the money comes ko program gi ama aduma challenge su khra di leiri ba aduna akon hoi confined of krig infant confined of brother is a city where everyone comes like even maybe from Bengali everyone ko aduna akon hoi mixing jing sina all this to come together and we are trying to make them to form union as Manipur the whole Manipur with like Churchandpur branch Ukru branch and Sanapati branch Sandi branch asumana kon kadang theme ga mo voice collective voice kadang haibidi organization ke taraf ta lapan di NGO ke through na is something like I want to do
force kra yaw ne ba
force
kra le ne ba
force of the one mata we ko au the union have one association have one kadang di force ma jagun have cha khoi gi hoi jam kan plan tawri ko adun hi akhoi Churchandpur se extension tawne cooperation to jam darkar le di domestic worker lom ti ko moi no tholak tra di upalite ko adung ba ma khitang di lai aduna asigi challenges how to meet ko akono hoi kan yam study tawri sine aduna these people we should make them understand I most of them are educated so ibni ko gyan ta se matam
hai gyan ta da batu gyan ta na ban educated oi mayam da organize to di matam se tum sang ba
matam sikha sang ba ko
Manipur gi oina su madu losal laga lai jaba ikai jaba ai worker ni domestic helper ni domestic worker ni have the isai tan da ikai jaba mayam da na sigum bagi mission ama lag matam da tholo na khoi tholo have da tholo pangam je da mayam am su lai adu mayam du thengna na bona matam se tum lo bani da workforce main force hai tare laiba khoi mission ji matu ina tori ba paisa thadari ba se changai ba paisa ji hena sangbani na matu main work khoi gi ga tare main power wat pani na yam kan khumang chauction bangam de ba wafam duni okay sister da thamjaning ba se hojiki domestic workers singi association hai tare hojik se association se dum panbiri adum ba kare hai tare mayam da thokning da ba da mayam da ning da ba mayam du budi leire adu masigi policy si lak padagi hoji pauda upgrade se kam tare how far 2017 ki 2019 yore 12 years almost se da kari changes kari lai masida hoji
changes ko moi se hoji
first thing na baduga hoji lai bisiga after 10 years
anyway so much difference is there hana de moi na yam ikai jaba ko langning da ba aduga mina sumhaina society na yeng ba kanda endi minai ne mi gyum da thabak tawba se yam ikai na sumhaina lazy bako adu after having what is that motivate them telling about their rights moi hojikti oh this organization is for us adu kumba mu laye bako then their status also they are some of them are really empowered and some they come they say sister now we are not afraid to we are not afraid because organization is there with us no so that so much of their mindset is they are believing and trusting in the organization. There is someone behind us, before us, who will stand for us. So they said we are not so encouraged. We are not. They say, sister, now we can also tell. We are telling our employers to our employers also that like example, we every year when domestic workers they 16th observe tawbako. Adukanda hana di they are afraid to ask. Holiday also. The hojikti they say sir this is our day ko akhoi chada ba yada bane hairadi adu kumbasu moi holiday do dum phangai
ko changkhelak pagi hojiki hariba Manipur domestic workers movement se lak padagi ti makoi da gyan tarakpa gyan tada mayam do kharaga dum gyan tarak padagi cooperate tawraga anda hena upgrade tor have ni okay doctor da thamjarake madudi hariba hojiki changes mayam di lai hojiki chahi tara ja hong budi mayam di lai adu hojiki sing sai petri khoi nupa na dominate to society mas oiraga su nupi gi rights ti dum leitab dinate everywhere women rights ti dum lei bani adu hojik si haine edu budi worker section of the society hai dan nupi se tum haine edu po domestic workers se only nupi khatana to pra kamai to nupa di dum to da pra tu angang sing gi pibam ai di sagi kano na haibi gi ba Benedict na hai gi ba angang sing su angang sahi below 18 hai tare minor sing su dum salaga domestic worker gi kano situation da dum dai tabdi nati haiba government na khangda bani na hai tare adugi pibam sida nupa sing aduga nupi sing adult hai tare aduga minor sing gi sigi kamaina masigi project se kamain to kayam na masigi ratio si lai
90% se nupi ne ayamba domestic workers sing se aduga maybe 10% hai nupa su yawe ko adu nupa yawa sing sida moi gi mindset sida for example nupa masina ma se cook oina hire to yum da ko adu mana horin utensils gumba chapu gumba adu waisit padi tawroi ma cha khak ta thongani ko so ma gi limitation leira ba akhoi gi domestic worker nupi hair kan moi loina tawrani
nupi na loina haibani na
nu haibani na nupa na su haira masu moi gi moi de agi thabak natte si nupi gi thabak ni hai moi na mai gi mind da thame ba adu gi ayamba se 90% or se almost se 95 hai gi nupi ne adu 5% se aina bada nupa ne aduga nupa macha sing se khoi lon moi se kaino in the guise of relative a poor relative khoi na help to gani ha moi se angang se mayum de pusilaga moi thabak to hale errand boy halaga adu moi se moi hanga kan moi ma asi angang di khoi gi relative ki macha ne khoi na like tam hana pura khapani khoi yum da dum like tam hana ba tham bani ka hairaga su ma se domestic worker oi ne dum sizina bi ba also me kaino khang ka khoi gi relative ni we don't consider him as a helper ko ma de akhoi gi kind of domestic servant na te adum hai launa di hai do
adu mayam da yum changa sum data du khom na hona bada khudong sa da badi kari kai thing
as kind of yum changa ga kind of swine data collection to bas yam na why kari gi no hairaga some am suspicious kai gi no no na si data ko mi si bu kari gi maram no ka hang aduga pinning de basu yawe aduga root oi basu yaw moin kari gi no no swine akhoi gi domestic helpers sing se domestic helpers who is a worker sing se new term de ko hana di khoi domestic servant hairame aduga maid servant hairame adu hujik politically correctly akhoi na domestic worker and refer to go domne adu moina yad basu yawe akhoi mi thabak chilinge ra no iswaina interview lobby ya de data collection darkar leite haidana ko aduga akhoi se khangna ba akhoi na yumbu ga akhoi se khangna ba khara tae ba natre ikhang khangna de mayum de changa ga noi domestic worker lebra noi yum de thabak to bole hang ba ya pote ba adugi through connection through means akhoi na se mapu si ga akhoi se khara khanga natre relative kum oiraga akhoi se hen approachable oye pura khangna de ba oire di moi mayum de changa ga akhoi na se mai data collect to ba si am wai ba hai moi na akhoi ngon subsidy kari gino hairaga hangani aduga karigino moi information pinning deba moi se kind of domestic worker mari manga thamasu moi gi pay se am low oiram gado ba adugum do moi na mingonda sandokning deba load na thamning ba aduwain to edu educated family sing se khar nungai changmada moi so understand do karigino akhoi gi purpose karigino akhoi lakpa karigi data akhoi collect do research ki problem ne hadum hairaga moi di understand to moi na su dum information pire aduga khara inakti khulaga laira khaitera pong bosing do aduri yam wai kang na moiga kana
inakti khulaga laira khaitaba society si da mayam ni kayam ni thene do family se
mi yam employee tham bosing do moiga kana deal to basi yam wai ba adu challenges moina khoi bu yam suspicious kai no information lauri se moina di khoi se moi se phatte boina khan gadra khan ba do
adugumba gi nungai tabdu ti dum lai adu Manipur ki society se tongan ba taripa khoi community si maitei travel adagi tongan ba nan Manipuri sing adagi tongan community mayam tabri na misunderstanding adum thong ngane na khali adu sai habiri wafam kara hena educated oiba family te di madu data collection to matam da madu research project amni haiba waraga so adu understanding amada approaching to pudi amna line thoga su wakal ta da mayam yarok pudi Kena kudung sada mayam di mayo ne all that break am talu segi break tahan segi break tung te ko yam talu segi impact news pu ming tadun review break am tung mayam mungkin taram nok sari ne nezari basi domestic workers issues and challenges ni issues challenges so adum tonara kadum hangangari adu break am tung se ko gi sister da laksagi maroina hojiki domestic helpers hai tare workers hai re hojik koi gi keno hai tare political language da hai tare hanandi helpers na leramba domestic maid servant na leramba mayam do hojiki globalization lak padagi tongan bal language na sinaraga domestic workers na sinare adu hojik lai se register unregister mayam khang da mayam se ni research yaw da ba kha su dum le ngani kan kra chitan andam kra su le ngani kale sigum bagi angle sine kan mai yeng eduga legal protection hai tare national gi law da international law da eduga state law da legal protected oi ba masak sing ji kari kari le sisa tham
kaino lai domestic workers no moina lai ILO 189 why there is under the one there is a speaks about minimum wage and as well as decent work for domestic workers then social working condition then weekly day off
yes weekly off
in a week yes in a week at least one day so this domestic so that they are also these domestic workers according to the ILO they are supposed to it is recommended
yes
actually
supposed to enjoy that law huh?
Yeah but right now I think our India is not rectified so we want even these domestic workers as we said as domestic workers are we should consider as workers with the dignity they are not just anyhow push and pull factor no when I want I make use and when I don't want I throw no but as a human being their dignities are respected by employers and the society because when we look at other society if I am a doctor if I'm a teacher if I am a lawyer I'm able to do my work it's just because the domestic worker is there doing my whole household this kind of since ILO is and moreover ILO also says they should be protected from violence abuse physical abuse verbal abuse and all these are sexual abuse no so they should be also protected so we want this ILO to be rectified and implement in our day-to-day life.
Okay, law gi matuina leijaraga hoji bokda Manipur da sanari ba hai tare state sigi law na matik sana punjan bangam da bari na adu ki site thok ko masak di khara legani adu ki aho basing du kari ke le hoji ki hari ba ILO gi di hari makoi minimum wages pi da ya da ba de ki every week da my holiday suti ma pi da ba ya da ba de ki magi kari kari maintenance mai amal darkar le adu pu Manipur gi oina thainari ba hai tare ILO na adu ka national law na protect toroga su Manipur sana ba ya da masak sing sei da thainari ba issue sing hai tare maroina masa magna domestic worker masa magna hai tare aina ana laing gi bu oiraga su hai samna hara bada yum da leiraga di ma job card hai tare NRGS ki ma khutong sa phang pai adu ki FCS ki food and civil supply ki tongan tongan masak sing phang pai hoiras mana migrant oina Imphal da laga na trak mafam da salaga thabak suraga di madu gi khutong sa ba citizen mo ibi khutong sa ba di ma huntu ma lai ne ba mai Churchandpur intra somewhere ukhul tagi lai na khalasi worker amana Imphal da talak mutam da madu gi khutong sa mayam do mai khul le hora bani swai di leitra bane ba only mana minimum wages phangaga ma ga survive tawm khondra ka toine ba adu good timing du da ILO international level law na natraga state law na changchan ba yakta masak sing da organization da madu thengnari ba hai tare moi da pba ba kare message sing ji kari kari le adi mathang khang thambiu
hojik se ILO convention gi se yamna muru oi ba hai tare ko haibadi kari gra sida ILO convention 2011 da 185 countries hai tare ko delegates laglam ga discussion ase pirga akoi indian secretary ama hai tare akoi se lagra ase apply tauni hairgi promises se lai kharne signature tanar ne adudagi akoi ILO convention C189 gan hai se tholak ne bugo ado akoi gi hoi state di ase protection se karim ta laite ba minimum wages ki tang se hana thamgi se bugo akona haibsina domestic workers minimum wages ki makha inclusion hana happy ro bine ba
yes number 1 inclusion the darkar le
o inclusion se quite muru oi bine bugo inclusion jo oider de minimum wages ki fix kaide phangani ko mod include oider hoi as a worker oina aduna akona si quite gi hoi lubi on advocacy tare ko akoi labor shu un labor additional secretary gum shu un labor commissioner ko shu unari or akona hoi lubi taw quite inclusion do biro aduga minimum wages
minimum akoi gi worker oina recognize to bi budune
recognize taw se adu schedule taw khradi 1948 king sai ke khoni ek panjari do adugi makhada mo include tawjin khradi minimum wage 6000 khwai di lai rabne ba adubu khwai digi nungai ba haisira nungai ta ba haisa government ge mekan asilai ta bse khitang di akhoi gi the country we are a welfare state ko अखोई स्टेट सु वेलफेयर स्टेट अमानी अदुना असिसे खितंग मिजेंग ताबदी अफबा अमा ओइगनी हैना खंजे अना अदुना वन पाचिना क्रीरा हैगा अखोई नवंबर 2009 की नवंबर डेट 5 ता 2008 तको 18 तको नोटिफिकेशन मादे थारगरे मे मोना डोमेस्टिक वर्कर्स इंक्लूड तौरनी अदु मोगी मिनिमम वेजेस से अदुवा द मोना तौजरिबा अदुगी प्रपोजल संगा एक्सप्रेस ता लाखपने पर डे से अखोना लिव इन एंड पार्ट टाइम एंड फुल टाइम हन लाइबा अदुगा पार्ट टाइम फुल टाइम दुसु खसागे बेबी केयर हाइबा मा लाइबको ता चाक थोंबा मा असे अखोना खरा डिस्टिंग्विश
कैटेगरी खरा
सेमेबको अखोना चाक थोंबा खोसिना मोना फंगदब से मोना गवर्नमेंट फिक्स तौ बिरक से 225 इन ए डे नेबा अदुगा बेबी केयर हाइदा सिदा खितंग दे प्रोफेशनल लाक्तबा जादेबा लाइक नर्स खरा दरकार लेगो फर्स्ट एड पीबा मा अदुम सिना 275 हाइबनेबको अदु मोनो नोटिफिकेशन ने थारक दा खुना असे पर आर दा दुम येंगमान दे खितंग नुआरक्तबा खुनु सु खितंग दे आयाबा खितंग प्रपोज तब हाइ तारेको अदु मोगे मिनिमम बेजेस से पर डे चाक थोंबा मी फी सुबा लमताइ बसिना 320 साबिरो अंगांग अमादे एल्डरली केयर सिना 360 साबिरो पर डे से
सिजे मनि गवर्नमेंट ऑफ मणिपुर कोई लेबर डिपार्टमेंट ना याना बा केनो दने
इनिशिएटिव तौरिने बको अदु मोनो नोटिफिकेशन तारगा अखोन होय सजेशन एंड क्लेम्स एंड ऑब्जेक्शन से खरा पीरबना अदुबु होय फबगी ओइनदि गवर्नमेंट इंक्लूजन तौदरी जस्ट नोटिफिकेशन तौवानी एट एनी टाइम दे मे rectified or implement
lo dana bind tawdri madu kano to baya madu ki against the lakma mata madu kem to bangam khu tha bangam dri haibane ba understanding am di lainara ba
understanding am di lainari adubu ngasai gi lo haina di laitabni na akoi su kre sira
khu tha pangan kalu bangam
pangan di khek to kri su laitre ko aduna huiti understanding dum charna bi
paper tiger ki ta sum khong ga leiba to bi oidana sick to bi
haina ho aduma hai tare
okay ye kano da doctor da laksaning ba se hujiki hariba categorize तरोगा अंदर साक थोंबगी फीसु बगी तोंगा तोंगा बगी खाइदोगा लो म लागतार गदि मदु categorize तरोगा मथौ ताबनी अदुगा लो जि सेम बाइ जुगा मेनसिंग मथौ नि अदु तबद पो इंटरनेशनल ओइना लेरेगा सु अप्लाई अदुगी सिग्नेटरी ओरगा सु हेक अप्लाई तोबया द मतंग गुम थोय आदि अखोगी लोकल लो हाइगद्रा मसाना मसा इबु खोगी करे हाइतारे युम युम द सुम यानरगा तौना बा हाइतारे अदुगुम बगी कैन अप्लाई से दुम सिस्टम से दुम सनै हाइतारे मणिपुर दा कस्टमरी लो हाइगद्रा अदु लोकल लो हाइगद्रा सुम सनब से याना याना बतौना बसे अदु मसी मतांगी द खोगी सिगी चैलेंजेस सि मयाम द लैगरे अदु बुजिक सि मागी राइट सिंग हाइतारे फुलफिल ओइना मसाक सिंग जि अवेयरनेस नत्रगा करी करी तौबा याय अदुगा होजिकी एनजीओ मणिपुर डोमेस्टिक वर्कर्स मूवमेंट साइट की अदुम एक्शन प्लान सिंग करी पाइखली मरवइना मोइसि वीक अमदम थबक सुगदोइनी डोमेस्टिक वर्कर्स सिंग सि थबक सुटी फंगोइदोइनी अदुगा मिनिमम वेजेस चीपेस्ट वेजेस द फंगदोइनी मखोइसे हाउ टू मखोइ कनो तोनो अवेयर ओइना करम गवर्नमेंट होना लई अदुगा करी एंगल द अवेयर ओइरे हाबदुनी थंबियो दि मथांग
ओके हुजिक अखोइना अवेयरनेस स्प्रेड तौनिंग बसे अखोइना फर्स्ट अखोइना प्रोग्राम लोखत बसे पोस्टर कैंपेन तवे
पोस्टर कैंपेन नंबर 1 हां
अखोइना हवे पोस्टर कैंपेन सिदा मोइगी एंटाइटलमेंट मयाम दो मोइगी राइट्स मयाम दो फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम एंटाइटल्ड टू अ मिनिमम वेज I'm entitled to 1 day adhaina akoina poster de iraga mai local language bilingual ta ko meiti ron ga english aduga Churchandpur ra khoi paiti ron ga chutwa akoina haure 10th 100 ki 10 sida aduga khoi gi madam kainam traffic sp police na man inaugurate to Sharma ko isna
sp Sharma
yeah adugu man to akoina adu tore that was the first step no mogi awareness piningai mogi rights me am khanghan na mai akoina poster campaign tawraga khoi auto rickshaw gumba magic gumba bus dum thelaga moi se thama thani dum as long as the poster lasts ako dumaina awareness spread to hore ko ado akoina sensitization workshop on the right of domestic workers hore ado domestic workers me am se korga akoina noigi rights karino hairaga akoina taaga kind of resource person kumuna sumoina how kind of noi domestic work in the guise of domestic work noi me am se pura traffic to ba adugum se awareness pieba example share to ga khoi gi resource person for Churchandpur sida mi Singapore Rangoon Myanmar gumba aduga Malaysia gumba se akhoi gi nupi macha sing se gullible oiba mapa sing na mama sing na su moi su paisa pambani na moi ha 30,000 gumba noi 50,000 gumba tha amada to lopi gi ne that is very attractive oiba ni moi su parents sing su gullible oira bani na dum thare adu what really happened adu moi gi huziki Manipur dagi traffic toroga moi se kan ada pu ba se moi in reality moi na challenge kai moi na thengnaruba mayam do adu moina expectation di oidereba ko so that way we're doing a lot of kari haisira sensitization workshops dum horabani dum hosu hogani adu under crisis management akoi maina khalaga adu main tawre aduga secondly hoina thirdly hoina tobase kind of newspaper gumba article gumba iba ko awareness hena khang nga mi na habidi domestic worker moi kind of issues in and moi issues the me sing sin ayamba they don't take it as very important kind of akhoi society da moi se yamna non thana yeng bani moi issues yamna kaisu on khan bi deba because domestic workers hoina moi gisu they don't have a voice moi masa su kind of fight to bangam the sister hoina thabak kuina toramba bani na moi khara empower tore moi form tore du khoi dikhara le but that is only in Imphal if you go to other district find to moi empower oidriba moi se ayamba se nupi macha lairaba imung dagi lakpani na moi
okay yam phajal point ma madam hagi ba doctor na hagi ba to trafficking ki point su lai ba not only use to basi Imphal area da Churchandpur district khatana ta mapan da migrant oina hai tare samnaga use to na maduda akoi kare hai tare maduda middleman ama hiauraga maduda khudong chab lobi wafam su apet trafficking ki wafam palak parina madugum ba challenges madugum ba di karmaina madu hekta sidagi adum paper da sudum tai mayam su koi kare hai tare aduda Thailand da suan ba mapan da Mumbai da kai thabak su worker with thabak suan ki advertisement so thoga tawri ba sigum mayam di karmaina khucham naraga mayam da khucham sing thingna bagi action si kai lei madi matang do trafficking just trafficking hai tare human trafficking hai tare mayam da middleman am da khudong chab log duni madu mayam na
adugine first of all akhoina identify tawbata kanano middleman khangba ko habidi ma se village salaga mana nupi sing se khoma puthok pane ba adoga khoina pharaga police ka we need to have in a network with police ko local police ka khoi network tora kanano se habidi moina di domestic worker oina pu bani heraga in the guise of trafficking ne ba moi se adoga khoi government adoga women's leader mayam se khoi se yam na thona leba women's leader ko women's organization women's kind alliance gum have moi tongan na group lebane jati ki su leba se mayam sing su moi awareness moi ka khangna ga networking tawraga police mayam akhoi se loina force ama form to godo ne ba akhoi na khakta ngamoi do bani na mayam se punna to minaradi akhoi se siguma se kanano trafficking adoga nupi sing su mama pa su akhoi na awareness pi godo bani through akhoi na post da hore adoga door to door su akhoi na survey sa pa su akhoi na siguma su ta eba noina chan pi se kadai jakare o nan ai se ichan pi se khoi passport sem han kre ma kainom the kainom Singapore satore hai adudi khangbra kanano nupa do noibu thaga do nupa do who's the man hai kha khangen akhoi gi leikai gi he o adudi mi etei di man han tharu re moi gi example moi gi story me moi gi experience me am do noi hangaga chat prana chatle amaduri age naraga hal ac re kain ko so but they were still there moi se kind of moi gi consequence moi chatlaga kari face ko no kari bhap ta be lete jo gi khoina bhap ta han ga do ba women's leader me am do ga ko women association for example Mar women association zomi mother Churchandpur da le re mayam si ga khoina punna khoina network to awareness yamna pi batare aduga police su yahon ga do
hoji trafficking matang du su yamna phajaba point ni adu ko awareness to busina trafficking si protect to na bai masam ni with legal mating lor police mating lor ga sister lakchen mi hoji ki point si da apai gi doctor na hari point si da trafficking issue se asi nga sai aham trafficking issue se khalam da bani khoi se only domestic worker har gi phal manung da su bi union da su ri mayam se adu national gi thak ti yeng kan da hai tare madugi angle national gi thak yeng ba international thak yeng matam ti Manipur de mayam su mai mangje tar masa mang da mayam lei bane ba adu sister thamjani wafam se atei nate koi gi society si thai tare national ki international yeng da bida Manipur society da domestic worker gi importance se sigi importance si mata da kitang thambiu maroina kari de importance le adu masi yam tangai phadra bara adum chanara dum lai do bara hana di dum chanara pura sa haibiri second world gi maina urak padigi madigi mission ni sangela pune hai madi ba mang society si kamai lakhi bano hadi matang kitang thambiu
society as we see now so much of changes taking place no the village people from the village they come to the
rural dig urban all of changes
what is the root cause maybe because poverty is the main factor no like poverty moina like in the family maybe daughter we see as a whole because society the ayamba yumung da nupi masa khoi si mamai pa na su imai pa na su kare support the support ki damakta yam season bako. Then because of that when they come to the town in order to support the family, to educate their siblings, my brother or sister for education. So maybe those days were there, but they're much more than now. It has got lots of developments taking place, as well as like the employers are now. As we look, they are all job holders. They have no more time to do their household work. Maybe there is a reason they are domestic workers. More and more domestic workers from interior place, they come to the Politan city and they begin to work this one.
Okay, yam na faza wafam ni. Adabu matang kita koi yeng bayar isi koi be Canada Benedict koi thamjani ni se. Saya rurally urbanized lakwa adu mayam na poverty ki mayam changes mayam lakwa adu tum darkar se tum lera kaduri ni. Nongu nongu hengkal kaduri ni se domestic workers singi problem se. Issues challenges se tum lakwa hengkal lakatong tani apa mojik lagi se. Adabu husi yeng bayar ini masigi jahida koi ki tengnari ba NGO sing sina adu ka koi mission sina tengnari ba mayam si jahida. Government side ki kari kan saya police ki Susan police side ki mata ama hai trafficking da hai tare adu sidi da Manipur tarik ka sai hajab the community si yam bani na community amada maitai da natraga muslim da atop community hek sangu kan da nungai na da hek thokpa adi even migrant workers mayam lei ma padi sangla worker khoi yamna ship oiba kano worker mayam lei tab na te adi Imphal ki mayol da suri ba awang ba tala da thabak suri ba mayam lei Muslim the piecing, my thing, piecing, I am the Sudan, I am sitting there. How's the policies, governing policies, how far, cry about the protect on what I have to me, Madu Karamina, without NGO, government policy, same in Kalasi, as I Yana Bandi lady, 375 to 65 the minimum was just big the money. Have 100 policy, Shemaka, the morning, how far, cry about the motor, protect on what have a question to me, but the Kari vision lake.
I see Matang, sir, I'm not Papa question money. We are going to see vision here. As in minimum wages, exegi Makad oira taradi. Many Masaksiam labor. I don't want to quite even focusing a sagi like Akuna tab the go. I go daily the Ashma Boxoma from the line. Employers in domestic worker the restart our have labor demand, but not me, she never employers. I don't know how money posted a vision matam. I see contracts handche. I domestic worker. I labor department I restart upon toge. At the same time, nang I give employer already. Iban ma koi restart our min nagdam neba. Restart it our min kradi. This will prevent many crimes, even including trafficking and have the huti nupim zana tabak shubnina mixing nuarak tabagi harassment pregnancy lak prin go. Adu Asigi my kai say, Akona policies, Akona quite division, I say contract science, not only the domestic worker restart in the labor department, both the employers.
Yes.
Not the police not track the Wajaruba. I have the Masagi, Akoi privacy egg Hanamashula Jabnina. Police no Masagi in Akumbayum, the Jackson Bangani, you are disclosing my privacy. Oh, Adu Akoi Laraba Mila Aquandi, privacy lativa. Aduma Krala Ibnina. Asisi contract se haibdi ana ngasagi ibani makki employer employee ki wari nina ai khak restart already
kana dreba
kana roba kari hasi kana bam tar lai roiba aduna asigi akhoi police se asisi animak restart ta
okay hari boasi ai si thaba karai de suri bano kana gi makha suri bano haibdu government madu recognize torogadi any crime tholokpada madu protect of the like ni haibani adu madu the Maduki angle to Yorguna Matam the correct workforce side area, NGO site, society site, Maruina, mother society lady, labor organization, Tonganba, or Hosiki Haripa, Canozinata, domestic workers in the labor organization, may absolutely than a qua. Mako is to Tonganba government demanded Tali at the Hosiki Wayna, NGO missions in the Kankamantaba. Domestic worker must have rights. I don't need any Kangway and every Masaka Canadi. Government to minute delay Bangamoy. Madi Matano Yorona, but angles the cry about the conceal speech cry of lady guessing.
How you a speech here? A quite count already 2007 to 2019, 12 years. Go. I don't tabak shoot the boom Muka. Me, I'm convinced the wife say arrived in a day. It's not that very easy and we can't give Matam Wiki Juta Hitareko. Which we see anything fiction and reality in everything go. Adum dan ase influence tau se yamna aruba ma lei ko. Aduna akono hi asigi mai kai da haitare. Ya ari makai domestic workers na support tawradi
masa worker masa magna
masa worker aina haibiti hoi aina hainingba haibiti media ki thong chu ko any domestic worker nang mi humna thabak shudi please go to the labor department to register yourself you don't need to come to us akhoi na laktar chu ai je domestic worker na handa register tawbse akhoi gi asi matam ji hen na bane ba seng mudi the 21st century gi matam da asi gi gyan laktar di akhoi je dum signi bako
wagani
warakani ba aduna asigi domestic worker khun khangpham thokpane sise khwai aista akon mona khamjin NGO na tawna NGO na paisa thajin laga mona mogi interest ta ko mona paisa phangna gi photo ma ka de thang ne adugi concept su khra leiri domestic worker ma kha da ngasa asisi krai di lak prai raga society digi lai either it could be the employer ko either from the society either from the family NGO ko de mo de photo ka da plan lam laur ga chak dam na adugi ama concept su ma domestic worker da khra leiri ba akona se organize the one mona kari khalle kari pig dra heba ko nang cheng
benefit kai no
ai gi benefit to kari ne ba haibwan de ai answer da bungam ne ba ai gi answer de kari ra de future gi plan ni na ko hauji ki khodak ki di ai ngam de ba
like most all over 12 years you're possible the speech tap ga leiri bani da ma da single coin ma pi bagi wafam dinati right to phangna bagi
akono ngai right to fight ta bani na right has something abstract noun hai ta re na ko gyan da laiba po ni na sma return on laktri min udab ni na ko moi gi asigi moi de khoi monitor hik phanga sar ga am loire hai bagi asi angka si ma leiri ba moi da
akoi workers na su madu hen khanga koi media gi through media through poster campaign to knowledge si madu idea da lawsan la kan da ai right senior kham matam da di khare hena easily thabak to ya dani last ki se koi kano da se kano doctor thamjaram gi marudi ziki hari ba question kano me ama challenges me ani leire workers na su gyan ta da ba sanghali ba mission ji su khoi well kano welfare gi dam sanghang madi ma khoi karan da gi benefit gi dam da sanghang madi natte ba full dedicate to ga sanghali bi masai da role of society hai tare role of NGOs aduga tongan ba khoi gi researching hai research projects anthropologists ni am sanghal laga thong yengjan ba research scholars na hena sanghal ba gi mathau ti ta ba na khale do sidai de angles da hai door to door house to house district to district chana hona bada masi karam ba society sigi khoi improvement langna ba hai tare masak sing che kana karam ba angle de sanghal lagi hena workers in rights se makhoi da gyan ta gani na khalbi bi gesini moi da aware oina ba masak sing sai poster campaigns kano da thelam ba phalang thelam do dim khoi pa gi da bu su yai lari hitam yam su yaw ni na ado through karam media da karam da angle sanghal lagan hena improve oi gani khalbi gi mina
first ahan me the moi sing se kind of registered labor department the moi se registered over darka oega ado sister ko na thab ko ina toram bani na moi gi Manipur domestic workers movement makha da laga pul laga moi se ain haiba gumna group se maga moi se club se maga moi se moi gi training ba pi ba ko marmak da unaraga skill building moi gi gumba moi gi empowerment gi ba moi se confident le hanna ba se yam darka oe ado moi se haiben mathan na to bongam da bani na moi se link moi gi organization se ga link to raga moi se thabak to ba darka oe ba adoga register to labor department da moi se labor oina recognize to adoga akhoi gi Manipur assembly si da akhoi gi moi se legislation pass to biraga moi ko act si minimum wage si pb ga do bani hairaga moi se legislation pass to da khoi se moi se kai kanana su importance period roi do bani na ado government gi na su mai moi se importance recognize to batai as a worker ado NGO sing na su moi se moi gi umbrella makha da pukhalaga moi se kano like mother hen na macha sing kon bagum na moi se ne kon ba ma
okay hoji point da ma questionable oi ba mu thoi adu migrant sorry workers sing sida makoi NGO sing na question ba na ta ba employers sing gi bathau aso ba ma right ma darka lai madu moi aware oi ma thau tai employers sing thadolok tra di migrant workers sing to tholo yaroi ngasi nang chuti piroi na tra week sim nang ai thabak su ga dam hari madu da tarokada do employers sing ne hen wakal tan ma thau ta da bra madu da aware oi na ba kari not only ngai worker du khakta da wakal tan man ta ba ma bu thabak piri ba missing to hena wakal tan ma thau ta da bra ha ba question sini kari having ngai dai matang do
employers sing se moi se first of all moi se compassionate nature lei batai masa da ko adugo moi na moi gi domestic workers sing se kamai na u bo no moi sing se as a human being or as a servant natra moi mind se change over tai ba adu moi na phare moi su mi ni moi su they are all entitled to their own freedom time moi gi haira ko moi sina phare noi meeting later di noi su chalu to I am akoi meeting to ka sensitization moi you employers sing sina moi gi nupi macha sing se thado uning deba because they'll be wasting 3 hours of work moi gi de work oina pa bani na natra aduga aduma thado uning dem thado uning ba khoina convince over tare ba moi su noi gi domestic workers sing se khoina empower to ga moi skillful already he na noi gi makana ni haiden khoina moi se convince over matai darka matai ko aduga moi su last workshop la moi su noi gi kind domestic worker ga attend to moi ya de ba ya adu su khoina pamphlets kuma piraga moi gi rights kuma du ye laga moi si ang ta pabiu si se siam kanna bane ko hairaga convince over ta do no is a human being ni ayam akhoi gi in the context of Churchandpur hai ge ko Christian oibani natra adoga Christian si da khoi gi Bible su sumaina tak pasing do angang sing da khoi na su moi ngona sumaina noi gi mi kamain treat to go do ne hen to roga employers things have more compassionate nature more kind nature adu moi se moi gi helpers things da moi gi workers things to affectionate nature leyo phiron gumo su pio noi ne su like tambiu natra noi ne su school ka han ga they should also send them to school government school su tharaga moi su khara like helo because moi gi domestic workers sing se moi se empower oiraga do educated oiradi moi gi su kana belega do
okay hari wasing sai workers sing khana ta ba employers sing ju wakal ta mathok tai ta se na makoi de gyan tan do si workers sing sina moi gi skill leraga di hena work force to hengala ka do ni paisa ju hena pininga do ni puna ma khoi workers sing aduga employers sing si wakal ta halakanda hari ba khoi gi kare haitare invisible workforce hai patare masigi domestic workers sing ki quality aduga sigumba se moi hengala ka na di society se thong mana ba balancing la ka do ni adu point ne ina khani yam ngai jing asigi domestic workers issues and challenges tongan ba wakhalon phongdok piraga maru oina ngasigi workers sing amasung employers sing punama with government with society punama khangminara kanda hariba domestic workers sing gi issues sing si khara handaraga mayamda crime mayam tholaiba aduga trafficking mayam tholai se handarakani ha wa phongdok pi gidon ta khoi gi and Benedict Moyon program coordinator Imphal aduga Dr. Manching Hangzo program coordinator Churchandpur loin with sister Jacinta Shangrang state coordinator Manipur domestic workers movement guest homa pung asi manung ngi makai gi thagasari loina manung ngi thorom si matang se ten jare Manipur so malengi tongan tongan hon tholiba thodo wathok sing da impact news booming ta don review
luhong ba yai thok chare akhoi gi ichanu